everybody, this is James with OTRA Roadside Services Incorporated in Cleburne, Texas. Luckily GM had these parts in stock. The only thing that they didn't have was the socket. And on this style rear end, I'll show you here. Let's see if we can get this axle to pop out. I'm going to tap on that and break it loose. So it is brand new. Took the bolts out and painted together here, so never been apart before. So not after it was assembled the first time. There it goes. Yeah, she was stuck pretty good. And look, the oil brand new. Yeah, man, everything looks brand new here. But to slide this axle out, try not to make too big of a mess if we can help it. And right there's that nut. You see right here, there's a notch. There's one there, one there, and one there. That you got to put that socket in to be able to take that nut off. Uh-oh. I just dropped it in the oil pan. Nothing unusual about that. That's the way you make sure you keep your tools clean. You drop them on the bucket, then you got to wipe them off, right? You put that big pin in the center there. You know, it ain't super tight in there, but if your socket starts slipping, that'll kind of hold it from cocking sideways too far and slipping on you. But that fits right in there. We should be able to back that right off. We're not going to do it right now because we need to get that caliper off. We'll film that as well. And on these newer ones there's a sensor. That wire right there, that's a sensor that tells you how thick the brakes are back here. Well, that sensor goes on the inner pad in here. Let's see if we can even see the inner pad. Yeah, we see a little bit of it there. That's maybe 1/8 of an inch left, and that's what the computer says is 10%, but there you go, it reads the inner pad, it doesn't read the outer pad, which I think we're a little bit past 10%. I think we're a little bit past negative 10%, maybe a negative 100% on the outside here, so we done chewed the rotor almost to the pins. So pretty bad shape, guys, pretty bad for a brand new truck, 21,000 miles on it. And again, this is James with OTRA Roadside Services Incorporated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.